in this is going to focus on disk usage. Use the command called du. Du means disk usage. Okay guys, so before I start, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment if there's something you don't understand. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I will go back to user directory where we're going to learn about the du command. Okay, so now I'm in user. Let me just confirm that I'm in use. As you see, I'm in use now, so let me just clear this. So the tool we're going to use is du. Okay, so let's check about what is du, what du stand for. Okay, by typing what is du, it estimates the file space usage. Okay, so let me just clear this. Oh no, let me check the main page. Okay, so as you see guys, it shows a lot of things about you can do. Okay, so you will choose what you want to do by the du. As you see, we have B, then C, and D, and H. Okay, so I'll just choose maybe 3 or 4. Okay, 3 or 4 letters, so that we're going to just make it short. Okay, we're not going to list everything. So guys, if I type du only, it will show us a lot of things, like tons of files and directories that we can I can even explain to you. Okay, as you see, it shows a lot of files. Okay, but we have to understand it. Okay, so if we understand it, we have to list it in a human readable format, because we have numbers and letters like this one, or like this apt file. It shows that 52. We don't know about that 52 is file or number, that is, or the file that is inside or what. Okay, but I'm sure that is the space of the apt file. Okay, so if you want to confirm that, we have to list it in a human readable format, that it will be easy for us to understand it. Okay, so if I say du and h, it will list every file and directory, that is in a human readable format, that will be understandable. That file have 10 MB, that file it have 15 MB, like this one. Okay, as you see now guys, you understanding that. So guys, now it is for us to understand it. As you see, the apt file, it have 52 KB space. Okay, that file only costed 52 KB. Okay, and we have the MBs and the KBs and the gigabytes, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So this is like this one. Okay, so this is how you listed everything in a human readable format. So guys, let's say, let's talk about F. Let's summarize. Let's summarize this one. Let's only show the total. Okay, the total of the file that is in user directory. Okay, so if I say du and just type S, it will show me the total of all the files that is in this directory. Okay, so if I say du and S and hit end, it will show only the total, not anything, not many things, or what. As you see, it shows the total, but the total is this one, not the total of the size, but the total of all the file and directory. So now let's see this. As you see, it shows that we have that in the sorry, like the bin include the lab and they have that kind of files. Okay, so if I say du s and poster, it will show me like this. Okay, so let's say like I want to list it in a human readable format, so that you understand that bin it have that size and etc have that size. So I say, so I can say du sh and hit end. So as you see guys, bin have 55 MB and the etc have 688 KB. Okay, so this is how you can list these things in a human readable format if you're putting all those files together. What is belongs to bin, it will go to bin. What belongs to ECT, it will go to ECT and listed in a human readable format by the KBs and the MBs and the gigabytes. Okay, so this is how you can. So this is how you list everything in a human readable, putting things together using the code, using the command code DU and SNTU. Sorry. Okay. So now let's say I want to see the total. So let me just get this one. Okay, let's check the main page again and choose the last one we're going to learn about. Let's say okay, yeah, let's learn about the C for total. Okay, and it produces a grand total. Okay, so let me just close this one. Just clear this. So let me just navigate everything I was doing right here. Okay, so if I say U, S, H, and C and put star at the end and it will show me the total. As you see, the total is 733 MPs. If we're calculating all the size from bin to bar, okay, it will show us total of 733 MBs. That is the total. That is the size. That is the user size. Okay. That is the size that is in the directory user. Okay. So this is how you can use the DU, S, H, and C. Okay. So I think we done for now, guys. Okay, I forgot about that, guys. You can use the grep command with du command, okay, at the same time. It's like, if you, let's say I want to locate the file. Let's say I have a lot of files and I'm looking for bin. I don't know where to find bin. I only know that the bin file has 55 MB. Okay, but so if I'm searching it, I'll just type DU SH. So let me just calculate it. Sorry. And say grep. And open it. And let's say I want to choose the. I'll just choose the 55 MBs. Let's say I only know that the file I'm looking for is 55 MBs, but I don't know the name, so I'll say 55 MBs. As you see, guys, the only file that you have 55 MBs is bin file. So this is how you find files using the grep. Okay, using the DU and grep at the same time. Okay. So and let's say, and let me just try it again. Let's say I'm looking for M. Only what I know is that the file is starting with M, but I don't know the full name of the file. So if I say grep M, it will grab all the files that have M and hit enter. As you see, all the directories that have MPs, it will show in the table. Let's say I'm looking for all the files that starting with B or have B inside the letter. As you see, I have B and whatever they call it. Okay. So this is how you can use the DU command with grep. So guys, that's it for now. So thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if there is something you don't understand. Peace, guys.